Hey family, what's up? Happy post-Thanksgiving. I hope you had a wonderful and amazing and blessed Thanksgiving. Today's the day after Thanksgiving. You already know what it is. People are running to these apps and running to the stores to buy to get the deals before Christmas. But before you guys run out and start spending your money on stuff that will not bring you any value, probably, it may bring you some level of joy, but is it going to actually help you to improve your life? Right? That's not really for me to say, but I do want to present to you an offer that I believe you just can't resist, right? So I talk a lot about, monetizing your mind, taking the skills and the expertise that you have and creating a business from it, making some money off of, the advice that you're giving people, the thing that you really know how to do. And what I've discovered just in conversation with most of you is that some of you are kind of confused about like what your skill is. You're like, Keisha, I don't even have a product to sell. How does this work? How can I make money? Well, one of the things I want to share with you is I want to encourage you to take the route that I took, right? I didn't know anything about this either, child. I didn't know nothing about this until one day I discovered this program that taught me everything that I know. I actually invested in myself. It's an educational program where I log in, I learn, and as I learned, it started making money, it started growing. I started to apply the things that I was learning, and then I started to share it with others and started to make more money. Okay. So one of the things I want to share with you today, if you are in that middle space and you're kind of like, I'm not really sure which way I want to go. Like you may want to do TikTok shop. You may want to be a UGC creator. You may want to be an influencer. You may be a crocheter and you want to learn how you can sell your crochet hats and scarves online. All of that is so good, but you got to learn the skills to be able to do that so you can make money. So I'm so excited about this, y'all. What I want to share with you is DWA, which is a program that I have and I learn from to this day. I log in every single day and learn something new from this program. But it's called Digital Wealth Academy, DWA 2.0. They have a Black Friday sale, y'all. It's only 24 hours. It's a flash sale. So tonight at midnight, this deal is going away. So the deal is you get $200 off of the program, which is an e-learning course that can teach you everything from soup to nuts about how to monetize on social media, how to create your own digital products, how to create your own online courses. It teaches you about algorithms, how to show up on TikTok, go live, all the things you've been having on your mind and you're just kind of like stuck and don't know which way to go. This program is going to help to get you straight. All right. It got me straight. I know that. And so many other people inside of my community as well. So I want to just present this to you. You do what you want. I wanted to make sure that you understood that this is available to you and it's on Black Friday sale, but only for 24 hours. So that means that you can get this program for $297. No, there's no payment plans. I'm so sorry on the $297. These are the rules. This is like, look, I'm an affiliate for this program. I just do what they tell me to do. And I just know full well for myself how this program has literally blessed my life and showed me so much. And one of the things that I absolutely love best about this particular program is the fact that the videos are strategic. It's not a lot of fluff. Not a lot of fluff. It's very strategic, very to the point, because I'm busy. I don't have time to watch no 30-minute video. I love that. And I'm learning from these young, fresh minds, these young people who actually know about social media. They actually know about digital marketing. They're so sharp, y'all. They are quick, sharp, and polite, which is something that I love too. So if you've been looking for some type of program that you can actually dig your teeth into, where you can just log in whenever you can, whenever you feel like it, and start to learn. I would learn and log in when I had a lunch break. I would listen to the modules because there's classrooms inside of there. I would listen to the modules while I was driving to work in my car. I would watch it or listen to it when I'm cleaning, washing dishes, folding clothes. Whenever I had an open opportunity to learn, I took it. And not only did I take that opportunity to learn, I activated and applied the knowledge that I learned. And that's where the magic happens, right? When you apply the knowledge. So listen to me and hear me clearly. In 2026, we're going to do things differently. We are going to impact as many people as possible for the kingdom of God, and we're going to make income from it. There's nothing wrong with that. Actually, God wants us to, okay? He doesn't want us to live in lack. He doesn't want us to struggle and worry about how we're going to pay our bills. So he's waiting for us to show up for ourselves. So he's presenting this opportunity to you. Do not lose the moment, okay? So I want to quickly do like a quick little sneak peek kind of scenario where you can actually quickly see inside of the program so you'll know what you're getting. Because I know you like me. You like, I want to see what is all this about. So I'm going to show you in just a minute. Let's go. Okay, so this is my Digital Wealth Academy 3.0, right? And it's basically an online school where you can log in at your leisure and start to learn all the things that you need to know about how to bring in some digital income, how to make a profit online, right? And so this program will give you the skills to do that. And so we have a community of over 160,000 people inside. And these are individuals from all over the world, like from different areas. But one thing about us, we all have the same thing in common, is that we're all looking for a way to be able to spend more time with our families, make some income, get off those 9-to-5 jobs, and just understand the whole world of digital marketing and how social media works so that we can actually have the impact we need in the world so that we can also make some income. And so it's a beautiful thing when you can come to a community and just get fed by the leaders of the community. We have multi-million-dollar earners inside of the community from all over the world that's doing amazing things. We have stay-at-home moms, truck drivers, business owners, project managers, like people who are doing just regular stuff like me and you are actually making hundreds and thousands of dollars a month in this industry. It's happening, right? I'm telling you, I know this for sure. And so let me just get right to it. Let me show you some of the things here. I want to share with you some of the testimonials that I read every day because it inspires me, you guys. It just inspires me to see what people are doing. It convinces me that I need to get up off my tail and do better, right? And so this lady right here said, I made over $120,000 sharing DWA and what's possible, maximizing the knowledge inside of here. And today, 10 minutes into our Black Friday sale, I've already had 2 purchases, right? So this is our Black Friday sale, and people are buying this program up. Rick is saying 4th sale in less than 3 weeks. Great. My first sale, which is always exciting. I remember when I got my first sale, I was like, oh my goodness, $500 in my bank account, just like that. It's a beautiful thing, right? And so this is what I want you guys to see, that there are so many people winning inside of the community. It's incredible. Also, what I want to point your attention to is that we have this program in 12 different languages. Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, so on and so forth. So I love that because we are a true international business, right? We are a business that reach tons of people from all over the world. And so this program is translated into those languages, which is nice. Let's go on over to the classroom, right? And so here is our classroom, and we have modules inside of the classroom. So each module teaches you a different thing. So this is a module that you would go to if you're like, I don't know anything about digital marketing. I need to understand it fully. But when you go into the program, then there's these miniature videos inside of here. I recommend that you go to each one by one in order so that you can grasp the concept of what digital marketing is, how it works, and how you can apply it to your business. Excuse me. In this module right here, she teaches you how to actually resell this course. Because the other beautiful thing, guys, is that with this course, you actually buy it to learn, right? You're buying it to learn how to, navigate through these social media streets, how to make more sales with your business, or even how to create something online. And not only do you learn that and can apply it to what you're doing and make money, but they also give you an opportunity to earn 85% commission on every sale of this program. So like how I'm sharing it with you, you can share this program with other people if you want to, and you don't have to, but if you want to, that is just another level of income for you that you can make through this program. And this module takes you step by step on how to do that. This is the DWA blueprint. It explains to you how DWA works. Here's a course that teaches you in a quick, succinct, and strategic way how to create your own digital product. I love that program. It was so good. This explains the breakdown of how we get paid through a platform called Fan Bases. And then I talk about this on my lives. You got to have a digital store, a platform to put your products in. Beacons is a great digital store to have. And this is the setup. It teaches you step by step on how to do that. This is a module about pre-launching. Let's say you have an event or a course that you're pre-launching. They take you through the steps and they tell you the importance of pre-launching so that you can get the sales before you even launch your program. Building trust while you're online with your audience is important. The creator's playbook, email marketing is something I talk about all the time. And this is really good for people who don't want to show their face, right? You don't want to do social media marketing, but you want to get the word out there about what you're doing. Email marketing is a powerful way to actually generate sales, but you got to know the strategy behind it and the tactics. And it is explained there in that module. Content Vault. Inside is content you'll find for marketing content. So videos that are already pre-produced are inside of here that you can use to actually help promote the program or promote whatever it is that you're doing, right? Attraction marketing is a module. I love that. It teaches you about how to get sales without paying for ads, because you don't have to pay for ads. Now, I'm not opposed to it, because I think that later on, as you're growing and you're building and you're making money, I think it's important to promote and buy ads. But in the beginning, it teaches you how you don't have to do that. Learning how to sell in the stories. One of my favorite modules ever. And I love the trainer inside of that module. She's awesome. Selling in the DMs. It talks about how to set up your ManyChat, like your automated system. So you don't have to like respond to people in real time all the time. You can have a system set up where the system will reply for you. Faceless marketing. I know some of y'all are interested in that, because I know a lot of you work full-time jobs and you want to get into this industry, but you just don't want to let others know what you're doing. Done for you reels. There's some reels in here just for you. And I really love this. We have a men's digital marketing segment where the men learn how to market, and we can learn how to market to the men. All things Instagram. You say you don't know how to edit? CapCut is a gem. You can actually learn how to edit in CapCut step by step. Love this. You want to go viral? This teaches you about going viral. Everything reels. The digital product guide. Content avenue. Set the pace. Ooh, I got to go through that one. I learned how to set my iPhone's settings so that my pictures come out crisp and clean. Like, I never even really paid attention to that, but it makes such a huge difference, especially if you're producing content. Same for the videos, right? How to 10x your business with AI. These two modules are all about AI, like how to create your AI twin and all the things, your own persona. See, we have another company that comes in and does a training for us. And mind you, this is a one-time investment for lifetime access. So you're not paying over and over and over again. There's no membership fees. Everything is available to you here. Right? How to legally protect your business. Talks about being an LLC and all the things. If you want to get to that point. Now, mind you, you don't have to go that route, but eventually when you start making a lot of money, you want to protect your business, right? UGC course, which stands for user generated content. I learned so freaking much, and I'm not even halfway through this course, but it is a fantastic course where it explains how businesses and corporations are putting the money into our pockets to help have us promote their products instead of posting on billboards and on in magazine ads and radio spots. They're not doing that anymore. They're taking little old me and you who are on social media and giving us the money instead, right? Affiliate marketing, that's broken down in that video, in that module. So we have so many different things in here to help you to grow and make a profit online. And this is what I love, because everything is in one place. I log on, I learn what I need to learn, and I get out of there. And I actually take notes and I start to apply everything that I've learned. And so one of the things I want to share with you guys, again, we have a Black Friday sale. It's only 24 hours by midnight tonight. All bets off. If you don't grab this, I promise you, you're going to regret it. I promise you, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I should have picked this up. Keisha was talking about this and I didn't get it. You got to invest in yourself. You don't want 2026 to be the way 2025 was, right? You want it to be better, right? And so I just want to encourage all of you to just take the risk. Go for it. Go for it. And I also want to make mention and let you guys know that if anyone purchases this program today, right, at that $297 price, you will get access to me, because you will automatically be led into my community, Purpose to Profits, where I mentor you personally inside of there. So that's a part of the deal. I will mentor you. I will hold your hand through the process. I don't want you to get into this and feel stuck and feel overwhelmed. Excuse me. I want you to get into this and grow with this, okay? I want to grow with you. I want to grow with you. And so there we have it. So yeah, I hope this all made sense to you. I am so excited about what God is doing for us in this season. This is the perfect time for you to take your money and invest in you. This program is excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I love it. And it's not too overwhelming. And the people inside the community are great. I love this young man's Richard Hughes trainings. He's a rock star. Everything about this program makes me smile. We have a calendar where you'll know in advance if we have any sessions, like right here on Tuesday, they had a webinar for people in Brazil. So see, it's all over the world. We do all kinds of things, right? And so get with the program. Okay, y'all, get with the program. If you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about, anything that you saw, please let me know. And I will respond to the email or respond to this post and get you the answers that you've been seeking, okay? God bless you all. Thank you for letting me rant the way that I do. And I love y'all so much. And I wish you all the best. Take care and God bless you.